As Chris mentioned, the snow is on its way out, but it did leave a few inches on the ground across western Massachusetts. 22 News reporter Claire Overton is live in Chicopee. Claire, is it still snowing, and how is that road looking behind you?
Julia, there are still some flurries coming down. As Chris mentioned, it's not really going to accumulate too much anymore, so they're just some nice, beautiful flurries to look at. As for the roads you just mentioned, they are actually looking pretty good right now. The main roads are looking pretty good. I'm sure some of those side streets are still going to have that slush and that slipperiness on top of them, so it's a good idea to take it easy. We're going to look right now. We have about just under 5 inches, I would say, of snow. We also have a medium Dunkin' iced coffee cup that it's about 3/4 of the way full, just as another picture to see just how much snow we've gotten. We've tried to create a snowman here at 22 News. It looks pretty sad, unfortunately. It's not great packing snow, especially with that mix of freezing rain and sleet that Chris has been mentioning all morning. It's kind of creating not great snow conditions for those snowmen, but you can still make snow angels and play in the snow and everything like that. But as for the roads, take it easy on the roads while it's still the morning. We have seen many plow trucks coming to plow, many salt trucks also as well. So those roads are starting to look a lot better than they were early this morning, as Chris and Julia have been talking about. But it's extra cautious on the roads. Make sure you're leaving extra stopping room just in case, especially on those side streets and especially around turns. Take them nice and easy because you could see skidding and slipping. So just take it nice and easy on those roads, especially for some of that freezing rain that may have happened this morning in Hampden County. But other than that, it's just a beautiful snow day. We have the sun coming out, so it's going to be a lot of fun for, I'm sure, a lot of western Massachusetts in the snow. Working for you live in Chicopee, Claire Overton, 22 News.